We are happy to share one another's burden. That's why we are here. I am here. I want to share with you the burden of having a problem to identify the smaller fraction. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. We have done fractions. We have done half, quarters, using rectangular cutouts, using circular cutouts. And here we are. We want to identify now, using these rectangular cutouts, which one is smaller? Teacher, this one. I don't want to say this one is smaller or this one is bigger. Let us do it practically and find out which one is smaller and which one is bigger. I have my rectangular cutout here. I decide to fold it into two equal parts. Then I shade it nicely. After shading it, what happens? I cut it into two equal parts. Like this. Have you seen? Two equal parts. Then I have another rectangular one and I divide it into four equal parts, and then I come and cut it again. I cut the shaded part nicely. Cut along nicely, carefully, and very cautious, knowing that this is a pair of scissors and it is a sharp object. Can do anything to you. Okay, you see? So I have my two rectangular cutouts and I have divided these cutouts into two like this. Now, this one, let me put it with the partner, the one that I removed another piece from. It's here. Then this one, I also stick with the one that I removed the cutout. Like this. This is the piece that I removed from that one. And someone asks you, which one is smaller? Look at the two. Are you able to identify which one is smaller from the two pieces? This one was together with this one before I separated them. And this one was also together with this one before I separated them. So we are saying this part, this is one part out of the two, and this is one part out of the four pieces. So which one is smaller? We are saying the smaller one is this part. Are you seeing the smaller one? The smaller one is that part. When I compare this part and this part that was removed from the two rectangle cutouts, the purple cutout is smaller than the brown cutout. Now, my question is, can you identify which one is smaller here? Can you identify which one is smaller here? Look at A, look at B, look at C, look at D. Which one is smaller? This one, how many parts are these? These are, one part is colored out of the two. What about here? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are colored? 1 out of the 4. What about here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are colored? 1 out of the 4. And here we have 1, 2. How many are colored? 1 out of the 2. So if you ask between A, B, C, and D, which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? What can you tell me? From that experiment, we are saying B and C are smaller than A and D. Grade 2. Is there anything you need me to explain further on fractions? Is there anything you have not understood? Any question? Anything? Teacher, we have understood everything. It was nice having you around, and now we just want to do the pattern bar so that we can make our patterns using the cutouts we have done. You see, so no paper is going to be wasted. Thank you and have a lovely day.